Welcome. Today I am using my NYX Jumbo White Pencil in Milk. My brows, I use Wet n Wild Brow Pencil. It's a kohl eyeliner that I use for my brows. This is what it looks like. I'm back using my Juvia's Place Culture. I have Culture and then Culture 2. This green right here, I am going to just put it in the brow bone. I'll tap it in the brow bone first, and then I'll blend it out. As I told you in my last video, I have written a couple books, well, more than a couple, and they are digital, like PDFs. And I will be showing it to you soon. I have a couple rough copies, but right now I am editing and reviewing them to make sure they're ready before I put them on the website. So I'm just letting you know I have books coming, so please remember to support me. This is the green. Now I'm in Culture 2. And I'm just darkening the outer corner. Do makeup your way. Makeup your way is always more fun because you are not there to please anyone except yourself. Take your makeup, have some fun, share it with others, and have one big happy community. This is my third matte color I am putting down. I am going to put a shimmer. I might put more than one. So I'll start with this one right here. I am not putting any glitter glue down for the shimmer. I am winging it. I'm going into a second shimmer. And I'm going to put it right next to this one. For my base, I use L'Oreal 365 Pressed Powder Foundation, and it is copper. For my lips, I use the Revlon lip polish. It is very old. I don't know where you can get it, but this is what it looks like. Under my eyes, I use the Born This Way by Too Faced, and the shade is Chai. The setting spray I use today is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I always like this. This is my second one. This is the jumbo size. Today's eye look. I use Juvia's Place, Culture and Culture 2. Today's I am is I am victorious. I am victorious. You are victorious. Always, always, always remember self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not ever dim your light for another. One of the books that I have coming out is this one right here. Healthy Food for Thought. That will be coming out soon, and it is a book with a few recipes on how to lose weight, how to lose belly fat, and how to stay healthy. Always know that you are important. If no one told you that you are important today, I want to let you know that you are important. Keep rising. See you shortly. And again, today's eye look. I love you. Bye.